Hi guys! Atong video for today is a little bit different. Kay first time rin ako buhaton. This afternoon, I received a package ito before I left for Cebu North. And guess on sa isulod! DJI OM4. Wow! To those who are familiar with this, kabalo mo para unsa ni siya. It's a stabilizer. Others call it a gimbal. And it's a gift for me from my sister. Sus, Diyos ko. It's actually her Christmas gift for me. But bago rin siya niabot, nangutan na siya. She asked my friends unsay akong gusto for Christmas. And kani akong mga friends, kapag siya ba di ay niya, and since nag-start naman kong vlogging at that time, so they thought of giving me this. Timing ko sad kaayo because I know a lot of you are complaining nga kurog akong mga videos. Tanang shout out sa kumanghod. Thank you, Mark, for giving me this. I'm so happy. And of course, thank you sa akong mga friends nga iyang gipangutan na. You guys really know me. Kay kabalo mo na ko, kuripot kay ko, I would not buy this using my own money. So thank you ninyong duha po. Salamat to my sister Marnelly. Thank you for asking these two friends. Kay sila gyud ang kabalo nga I want this. So for today, I'm gonna share with you. First time na ako ni-open. The box is still sealed. Ako na ning gi-disinfect. So yeah. Tanaw lang, check lang. This is the front box. Sa likod, create magnetic moment. So excited kay ko. Oh my goodness, munindot na ang quality sa atong videos, guys. Tumudun sa kumabot. Thank you kay Marnelly. So I'm gonna open na ha. Tanang! Gahit scotch tape. Magnetic moment. Ay, sorry, ato banday ko ninyo. Sorry, first time guys. Di pa ako kay bawal sa on. Sana sa isulod. Saan man eh? Osmo. Saan man eh? Ah, bag. Bagay, sudlanan. And then, sticker man eh. Ayun lang niya. Meron siya guys. Standing and wow! Guys, mayroon lang ko ninyo daan. Di ko teki as a person. Tadang! It's a phone stabilizer. Others call it gimbal, guys. So, timing jud kaayo because kabalo ko daghan ninyo nagreklamo nakurog akong mga video. So guys, mao ni siya ang solution. Dana tayo stabilizer. Shout out sa mga tigreklamo. Ningon yun ako, Sir Wendell, Alex, sa mga hater diha. Di na dyan kurog, guys. Di na maglaban din yung ulo. So yeah, ato ning sulbaron how to use this. So it's magnetic. So tanggalon lang ni siya. And then let's put our phone. So you see this white mark here? There's this white mark. Ani? Dapat dito facing up. Facing sa camera. Anang, mana ni atong phone. And then, iyan na siya. Magnet. Magnet. So, power on. Power on. Aww. And then motion. Sir John, di ko kahibaw. Power na. Long press. Oh, long press daw, guys. Sige na. Sige na. Oh, nana. Long press kita guys. Hangtod mo green. O, nani, barog na siya. Iya. So, let's turn on the camera. Lawa, gahit siya ko. Get siya makabang ninyo guys. Anara, on ang camera. Video, start ang video. So tomorrow, I'm gonna use this stabilizer. Makakita na niya mo sa effects. Okay? So dire lang sa ta for now. Tomorrow, starting with my videos. Starting with my videos tomorrow. Makakita na mo, oh. Stabilize na kayo siya, guys. Di na siya makuro, guys. So tomorrow, makakita na mo sa effect. I'm gonna show you what this thing can do to improve the quality of our videos. So that's it for tonight. We're gonna sleep. We'll call it a day. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hinduta oh. Hinduta sa effect. Camera on camera. Ta-da!
The next morning. Few moments later.
So that's it guys. Amo yung gi-experience o gi-explore ang atong gi-unbox nga DJI OM Gimbal Set nga atong gi-ablihan gahapon. We had one day to explore and experience its features. Ako masulti, so far so good. Grabe. Indot sayo na kay siya katunon. Like I mentioned earlier nga di gyud ko techie as a person, pero dali ra kay siya siyang nakuha ang iyang navigation. Sample lang sa ka-clear ang iyang shots. Oh my goodness. So, we were able to go to some places in Medellin and we already used this as a first day niya nga gamit in relation to our vlog. Shout out lang ko ni Sir John. Thank you so much for being so patient in giving instructions and being a good tutor. Pag-unsa na lang ko kung wako yung mga techie nga mga friends. And another shout out to my sister. Thank you, Gyud Marn, for giving me this gift. I really appreciate it. Kabaw gyud ka sa akong need in my life. So that's it. I hope makita ninyo guys and ma-appreciate ang mga sample shots nga among gi-share earlier. Dali-dali ra to siya pero yeah, we will improve from there. As we go along, improve rin na mo ang among quality and we will get a hang of it on how to maximize the potentials and the use of our Gimbal Set. So that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us in this unboxing video. Salamat. Bye!